Realme is becoming the new Xiaomi. Every day we are talking about a new device being launched by this manufacturer that is going at an exaggeratedly accelerated pace, even renewing some series in less than 6 months. Definitely something strange is happening with the case of Realme. Now we are talking about the new Realme V60 Pro. This device comes to complete the V series that was presented in June with the base model and also the model V60s. So this is the Pro edition, and let me tell you about its specifications. We are going to find 6.67-inch LCD screen with HD plus resolution and 120 Hz. Already only with this section we realize that it is a device of the entry range, which is even more curious in the case of Realme because it has 3 series for the entry range. The C series, the Note series, and this V series. Only apparently this V series is only distributed in China, but I would not be surprised if it soon makes its global debut as well. But despite being an entry-level device, we're going to find its main strengths in RAM and storage, as it has versions up to 12 gigabytes and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. The battery is also very good with 5,600 mAh and support for 45-watt charging. So it's very curious to see this kind of specs combined with a screen that only has HD plus resolution and is LCD. On the back we will find a 50 megapixel camera and 2 decorating cameras, while for selfies we will find 8 megapixels. And another very interesting section of this device is that it includes IP level 68 and IP 69 of resistance against water, dust, extreme situations, hot water jets, which is increasingly common in several Chinese manufacturers, even in the mid-range and entry range. So this is good news for all users. It also includes side fingerprint reader and comes with Android 14. Besides that, it supports dual SIM and also comes with micro SD support. This device comes in black, red, and gold color. Its advertised price for China is 1,599 yuan. This is approximately $220. But remember very well that the prices here are not the same as over there. And also remember that this V series seems to be only being sold in China at the moment, but I wanted to let you know so you can see that Realme is going crazy in its launch strategy.